Perfect fit trick. Angle cut looks right, but the joint is loose. This trick will solve it. Just two cut and one clever setup, and the fit is so tight. It won't even wiggle. No gap, no glue stress. Just a clean joint every single time. If you like this trick, hit like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Hidden strong joint looks simple on the outside, but it's rock solid inside. The cut is a bit different, but the fit is so tight, no clamps needed. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more smart woodworking tips. Clean and advanced looking joint. Making a pro level joint isn't hard when you know the right trick. One unique cut and a little patience, and your joint will look factory made. It fits so clean you won't need filler, perfectly flush and tight. Paint it, polish it, whatever you want. The result is always flawless. Like and share this video and subscribe for daily woodworking hacks. Time saving, accurate angle. Struggling with angle joints? Check out this easy trick. No fancy tools or expert skills needed. Just the right angle and correct depth. You will get clean, tight, perfect 90 degrees joint every single time. Want more trick like this? Then like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Fast method without clamps. No clamps. Try this easy jointing tricks. One simple cut and a quick alignment. The joint locks in tight. Like, share, and subscribe if you found it useful. 45-degree corner layout. Struggling to get a perfect 45-degree corner? Don't worry, it is a common issue with a simple fix. Most people go straight to cutting, but the problem starts with the layout, and that's where things go wrong. If your 45-degree layout is accurate, the joint will look clean and professional. No gap, no frustration. Whether it's a frame or a box, a precise layout means a perfect finish every time. For more smart woodworking tips like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.